Hi, good evening, friends. In this video, I will be talking about the various benefits under Section 80 of the Income Tax Act for salaried employees. So now what is Section 80? So it gives us a broad benefit of 1,50,000 deduction every year, which we can claim from various benefits which are available under the Act. Let's start with the first benefit. First is called 80C. Now, what is ATC? Basically, it talks about whatever investments which we have made in a year up to 1,50,000 rupees can straight away be deducted from the total taxable income. What does it include? Your PPF, your contribution of employee to the PF contribution, your NSCs, your life insurance premium, your children's tuition fee, principal repayment of your loan, ULIPs, ALSS, 5-year deposit schemes, senior citizen savings schemes, subscription to notified deposits are also there, contribution to notified pension funds are there, subscription of home loan account scheme of National Housing Bank, subscription of deposits of public sector or company engaged in providing housing finance, contribution to notified annuity schemes of LIC, and subscription to notified bonds of NABARD. So these are the broad categories of ATC. Now let's come to another section called ATCCC. Now what is this? For amount deposited of annuity plan of LIC or to any other insurer of pension from a fund referred to in section 10 within brackets 23 AAB. So this is over and above your 80C benefit. Now then we come to 80CC. D bracket 1. So what is it? Employees contribution to the new pension scheme which has been introduced recently. So in the new pension scheme, what will happen, for example, in this particular scheme, you would be given an option to get benefit over and above the 1,50,000. But here the caveat is only up to maximum 10% of your salary you can invest in the new pension scheme. So additional amount could be broadly rupees 50,000 rupees more over and above the 1,50,000 to encourage. So here sections 80CCD2 and 80CCD within brackets 1B also are available. Okay, so this is additional benefit over 1,50,000. Then you can claim additional benefit of 80TTA, as I mentioned, interest from savings account, as I mentioned in the previous presentation, maximum of 10,000 rupees. So all this is over and above that. So you're adding more and more benefits. Then you can get benefit under section 80TTB, which is for senior citizens, up to maximum of 50,000 rupees from interest on savings account and fixed deposits. Okay, now we come to section 80G for rent paid when HRA is not received from the employer. Okay, so here the condition is least of rent paid minus 10% of your total income or 5,000 rupees per month or 25% of your total income. This is again additional benefit. Then benefit under section 80E of the Income Tax Act, which is interest on education loan. Interest paid for period of 8 years is available as additional deduction. Then interest on home loan for first time, which I mentioned earlier under section 80E, additional benefit is available. Then 80CCG for Rajiv Gandhi equity schemes for investments in equity, again, which is available 25,000 rupees. Then medical insurance premium that you have paid for self spouse medical insurance up to 25,000, and for parents for more than 60 years of age you can get benefit of 50,000 rupees. Then if you have any medical treatment for handicap or dependent, then it is 75,000, and if the disability is more, then it goes up to 1,25,000 in a year. Then medical expenditure on self and dependent relative for disease specified under section 11DD of the Income Tax Act. Here again you have additional benefits. So the lower of 40,000 rupees or lower of 1 lakh rupees. So you will have various slabs. You can go in details. I'm just brushing you through the basic benefits which are available. Then if you are suffering from self disability, the amount could go from 75,000 to 1 lakh 25,000 under section 80U of the Income Tax Act. Then we have section 80GGB, contribution by companies to political parties, that is also available. Then 80GGC, individuals to political parties, that again is also available. And 80 RRB, which is royalties which you have paid for a patent. So amount which is up to 3 lakh rupees of royalty which you have paid can also go as benefit. And also you can also claim deductions under section 80G of the Income Tax Act if you have made any donations to the Prime Minister Relief Fund or any other donations which you do in a year for purpose of goodwill or anything which are listed and notified by the Income Tax Act. I hope all these donations will add up to a good saving for all of you, and at least you will be aware of what all benefits are available. So this is available, all these benefits are available for individuals, salaried employees. And obviously, this is basically for education purpose, all these videos, and should not be considered as any advice. The whole idea is to just educate you. Thank you very much.